And we're at IWC at Watches and Wonders 2019. The IWC Pilot's Watch line and Spitfire line have been extensively reworked for the year, and this is the arrival of the IWC Pilot's Watch Top Gun double chronograph in Ceratanium. Now the timepiece features a unique ceramized layer outside a solid titanium case, so it has the lightness and shatter resistance of titanium with the scratch resistance externally of ceramic. Now the watch features the famed IWC Doppel Chrono caliber 79230. You can see it features a matte black dial with white printing for minimal glare and high contrast, split-second functionality so you can time two events that are occurring concurrently, automatic winding with a 44-hour power reserve. This one features a unique combination of decompression insurance or decompression security. So if it's in a aircraft cabin that decompresses, it will not eject its crystal, as well as a high degree of water resistance and anti-magnetism. You can see on the back the insignia of the Top Gun film and program, and that is the film logo, just to be clear. 6-bar water resistance with a screw-down crown. It is a swimmable watch. Of course, the timepiece named both in honor of the film and the United States Navy Fighter Weapons School. The timepiece, part of the new Pilot's Watch line for 2019 at Watches and Wonders. And we are back at Watches and Wonders for 2019 with what might be the most striking case offered by any brand at the show. Now, this is the IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun Mojave Limited Edition. Now, the timepiece has a unique sand ceramic case. It's actually the exact color you would expect to see in the desert, in sand, or the subdued tones of desert camo. The watch features a handsome and nuanced dial with a rusticated opaline finish, and as you can see, printed features with luminescent to match the tone of the case, an extraordinary medley of metallic and ceramic tones. The timepiece is incredibly striking in person, just over 44 millimeters in diameter. They're going to make 500 pieces of the Mojave as a limited edition, a truly practical day-date that's also a chrono with a matchless legacy of history. If you're into aviation, you're going to be into this watch. This is Watches and Wonders 2019. And we're back at IWC 2019 with the IWC Pilot's Watch Timezoner Spitfire Longest Flight Edition. It's a limited series in stainless steel, 46 millimeters, 250 pieces, celebrating the upcoming circumnavigation of the globe by an IWC-sponsored original Supermarine Spitfire. Not only will it be the first ever circumnavigation of the globe by a Spitfire, but the timepiece, practical for the occasion, featuring the images of 24 reference cities representing the world's 24 principal time zones, using a complication originally designed by Andreas Streller. This watch impressively combines a secondary time zone capability with a mobile bezel that is actually used to set the time. It is Big Pilot's Watch style and Big Pilot's Watch size. 46 millimeters in stainless steel with that iconic diamond-style crown. You can see the image of the silver Spitfire on the case back. It's a swimmable 6-bar with a screw-down crown. It also features anti-magnetic capability as well as blowout protection should the watch be exposed to explosive decompression in a cabin. Spitfire is not pressurized. That's not going to be an issue. But for everyone else, luxury is about having more than you need, and having that kind of technical capability is a luxury. You can see the images of the cities on the bezel actually feature notations of the cities that do and do not use summertime, so you're able to account for daylight savings time if you like. The watch automatic winding with a 60-hour power reserve also features a ceramic insert bearing the names of the cities, so highly scratch resistant, and you can see a little bit of ecru simulated patina loom on the hands as well as the dial. It's a handsome medley of tones, textures, and colors. A watch surprisingly wearable considering it's 46 millimeters. It features an olive drab military-inspired strap that is remarkably substantial in cross-section, and a full deployant clasp to ensure that this substantial timepiece remains substantially attached to your forearm. This is the IWC 395501 at Watches and Wonders 2019. We're at Watches and Wonders with the IWC Pilot's Watch Spitfire. Now this is the 326802. It is a bronze 39 millimeter Spitfire timepiece featuring an extraordinary granular green dial. You see it has a little bit of a military olive drab to it, but it's also a rich contrast with the bronze of the case. Now you can see the bronze has been strategically PVD and burnished, so it has the image of weathered metal. You can see there are various highlights as well as dull sections where the burnishing waxes and wanes, creating a unique aesthetic that has all of the charm of age, but the fit and finish of modern luxury watch. Now, 39 millimeters in diameter, this timepiece is wearable on any wrist, and you can see the quality of the hardware that IWC has equipped, as the strap is extraordinarily substantial and thick. You can see it features a matching bronze buckle, titanium caseback hardware, automatic winding. The timepiece features a remarkable new IWC caliber, the 32111, with a 70-hour power reserve. In other words, this watch is the business. It also has a brother, as you can see, a stainless steel variant that's a bit more conventional. This one with none of the burnishing or the PVD treatment. It's a handsome timepiece that wears well on any wrist, and it's equipped with an imaginative and substantial NATO-style strap. As you can see, it's underslung beneath the case. The timepiece actually using a hybrid of textile and leather, so not cutting corners. It's still a luxury product in detail, even as it has the image of rugged military aesthetic about its case, dial, and strap. So 2 Spitfires in 39 millimeter for 2019. Now this is the 2019 IWC Pilot's Watch Automatic Top Gun, reference 3269. If you liked the Mark 17's 41mm size, you're going to like this watch. A beautiful granular matte black dial for maximum contrast and reduced glare. You can see that the 41mm case is rendered in ceramic, which makes it robustly scratch resistant. If you're like me and you can't stand scratches and scuffs on your watch, ceramic is the perfect solution. Now the watch is also more sophisticated than either the Mark 17 or the Mark 18, as it features IWC's new 32111 automatic pawl-based winding system and 70-hour power reserve. This is IWC's new in-house caliber, and it's featured on a watch that is distinctly military in its character, but as you can see, with an Italian-made leather strap and a hybrid leather textile, very much a luxury product inside and out. The timepiece featuring that textile look, featuring a stitched-in gusset for long-wearing durability, leather on the underside. You can see, just like a NATO strap, it's underslung, so it has that feel of thickness and substance and height above the wrist that comes with the NATO, but it features a conventional pin buckle for easy fitment. It doesn't have the intertwined multiple loop system used on a true NATO, and you can see even the hardware, the strap minders, rendered in metal for long-wearing durability. This has every indication of being a half-decade strap on a lifetime watch. Handsome, slim, swimmable, and rugged with an in-house IWC caliber. This is the IWC Pilot's Watch Automatic Top Gun, 41mm in ceramic for 2019. And we are back with the IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Spitfire. Now this is a watch, 41mm in stainless steel, that represents a new model for 2019. You can see it's a handsome piece, and as with all Spitfires since IWC began the association with the famed British fighter in 2005, it has a combination of upscale dial, a few flourishes representing the elliptical winged fighter plane itself, and of course a high degree of utility. This one harking back to the military origins of the Spitfire model and its prevalence in the Battle of Britain and beyond, with an olive drab military-style textile strap that features a soft leather underlay. The case itself, all of satin finish. You can see it uses a 7750-based chronograph, tank tough, reliable, and adjusted in-house by IWC. Day-date function, hacking seconds, quick set for both the day and the date, chronograph function, and the watch with a broad span across the wrist, featuring the draped and elongated lugs that are characteristic of just about all IWC Pilots models, from the Mark series all the way up to the Big Pilot. A substantial watch with charm. It features a number of different colors, textures, tones, and focal planes on the dial. My favorite refinement is the flash of red, the Spitfire nomenclature, as well as the countersink of the sub-registers with white highlight chapter rings for both chronograph minutes and the constant seconds at 6 o'clock. It's a handsome dial with a beautiful cruciform symmetry and tons of charm. This is the IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph at post SIHH at Watches and Wonders. And we're back, Watches and Wonders 2019, with another take on the IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Spitfire, this one in bronze. As you can see, it's a slightly different take on the bronze case than we saw on the Spitfire Automatic, as there's no burnishing. This is more of a bronze case au naturel. It will patina over time, but it will be your patina, not a calculated patina. Granular green olive drab style dial. You can see the contrast with the Ecru Luminova is particularly striking. White on green print for high legibility. The watch is 41mm and highly wearable, so though it has Big Pilot's Watch case lines. It does not have big Pilot's Watch bolt. IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Spitfire in bronze for 2019. And we are back with IWC with the IWC Big Pilot's Watch Perpetual Calendar Spitfire, an extraordinary bronze 46mm case containing an IWC 52000 series 7-day automatic perpetual calendar caliber. The timepiece is an extraordinary array of capabilities. Power reserve coaxial with an indication of the date. You have another mono counter at 9 o'clock with constant seconds in the day. You have a radial month at 6 o'clock, and you have a double moon phase for northern and southern hemispheres at 12 o'clock. The timepiece, oversized and practically oversized at 46mm in bronze, able to spread all of those complications broadly across a dial that accommodates them well. The crown itself I've personally measured at almost 11mm in diameter, so everything about this watch is on a nightmare scale. This is no P-51 Mustang or Spitfire. This is more like a Lancaster or B-29. Now you can see the watch features a substantial riveted strap, and note that the rivets are bronze to match the case, contrasting aviator stitch, thick cut showing the layers of construction, matching bronze pin buckle, a timepiece that is overwhelming in its use of every IWC technology, from the fully programmed and coordinated Kurt Claus perpetual calendar system to the famed Peloton pawl-based winding system, as you can see now featuring ceramic pawls and pawl wheels, plus twin mainspring barrels, still free-sprung with an overcoil. It now features a modern 4 Hz beat rate. All the tech, all the toys in the IWC Big Pilot's Watch Spitfire perpetual calendar. Here's one that got away at SIHH 2018. This is the IWC Tribute to Pallweber pocket watch, reference 5051, 50 pieces in rose gold, reminding us that the original Pallweber watches were in fact pocket watches built by IWC during the late 19th century. The dial side is extraordinary with jumping hours and jumping minutes, and you'll note a lustrous multi-layer lacquered dial created in white. Almost a dozen steps required in the fabrication of these dials, with the final coat being a rich glossy clear coat, as complex as any dial fabrication. And you'll note the coordination of the seconds and the minutes, even though they're driven by separate trains, in the 60-hour power reserve manual wind caliber 94200. As you can see, twin mainspring barrels, the 94200 with a mechanism at center that actually uses pawls to coordinate two separate drivetrains, one driving the minutes, one driving the seconds, and thus the two are able to step in sync despite being driven by separate power sources and trains. You can see it features a free-sprung balance and a sophisticated modern architecture while still retaining some of the beauty of its ancestral pocket watches. This is the 94200 caliber that, to date, is used only on this series of watches. It's not a Portofino, it's not a Pilot, it's not a Portuguese, it's its own standalone. But then again, after 150 years, IWC probably deserved a special birthday present. This one of only 50 to be made, rose gold pocket watch with double Hunter caseback and dial. Also, note the extraordinary artistry and guilloche rendered on the case externally. This watch is as beautiful on the outside as it is on the inside. A panoply of art and engineering. This is the 5051 at Watches and Wonders 2019. Hi, this is Tim with the IWC Aquatimer Chronograph Laureus Sport for Good 2019 limited edition of 1,000 pieces. It benefits one of Richemont's favorite charities, the Laureus Sport for Good Foundation. You can see on the caseback, as per the first 12 Laureus editions that preceded this one, the image actually hand-selected, painted by one of the children in the Laureus programs, and ultimately the young man from Sri Lanka painted the image that you see here, 1,000 pieces in stainless steel. You can see it's covered entirely by vulcanized rubber, so though it's a steel watch, it has an impressive matte finish as well as a scratch resistance inherited from the rubber-wrapped architecture. You'll also note that the watch features an inside-outside unidirectional rotating bezel system, so you can actually use the chronograph to time your dive or your interval, but you can also use the bezel to time something concurrent up to 60 minutes. The dial has great depth. As you can see, it's dished and remarkably sculpted from the bottom of the registers to the top of the ray halt that doubles as the diving bezel. The watch features an IWC manufactured caliber 89365 flyback chronograph caliber, 68-hour power reserve. This one uses a 4-pawl rather than 2-pawl IWC Peloton winding system. It features all the refinements you'd expect, plus the flyback, stop seconds, and a quick set date. This one Water resistant to 300 meters. I should clarify that what appears to be a helium escape valve on the flank is actually part of the differential system for the geared unidirectional rotating bezel. A timepiece that has a wonderful blue luster about its dial, a combination of matte and sunburst with white applique. You can see it's a handsome and striking piece and a worthy entry to the long-running IWC Laureus Sport for Good series. This is the IWC Aquatimer Laureus Sport for Good, and I want to call out one more feature, which is the quick release strap underneath. Quick release pull tabs so you can rapidly swap your shoes. Hi, this is Tim at Watches and Wonders with IWC, and I keep notching the ones that got away from me at IWC. Most of them are the ones that got away at SIHH 2019. Today, we're talking about a watch from SIHH in 2017 that I missed. This was the rebirth of the Da Vinci and the return of the famed hinge lugs as designed by Hanno Bircher in the mid-1980s and launched on the first Da Vinci Perpetual Calendar Chronograph. The watch is quite true to that original 3750 reference, and you can see this now, the 3921, with its hinge lugs on platinum case, 43 millimeters in diameter. This is a limited series of 100 pieces, and you can appreciate the fact that the watch now entirely IWC, unlike the original Da Vinci, which used a Valjoux 7750 base. This one uses an IWC 89000 base. Sorry, I can't unwrap it. It's a unit for sale, but the statistics include perpetual calendar, fully programmed, designed by Kurt Claus, so all of the indications move coordinated. You'll also appreciate the fact that the watch is an automatic with a 68-hour power reserve and a flyback chronograph capability. A handsome and unusual IWC. It's enriched by the presence of applique metal Arabic numerals on a silver dial with a handsome cruciform fashion dial layout, and you'll love the twinkle of the cosmos in the moon phase display up at 12 o'clock. A handsome and unusual IWC. IWC also keeping the faith here by offering a full platinum clasp on a platinum watch, something that is unfortunately scarce in the modern industry. Doing things the right way, and in fact doing things its own way. Not every company would have devoted an entire model year to a hinge lug reference from their past. IWC, not afraid to be different. This is the 3921 Da Vinci Perpetual Calendar Chronograph, one of 100 in platinum.